Yes,
could you throw some light on what is said about in the Holy Quran about man going forth in search of knowledge? What is the Quran standing on this?
About man
going forth in search of knowledge.
The Holy Quran promotes knowledge as no other book has ever promoted knowledge. So what else do you want to know? I couldn't follow your question. There is no ambiguity about it. The Holy Quran as well as the traditions of the Holy Prophet promote knowledge to such extent that never any religion before promoted knowledge.
So the Quran is guidance in itself.
The
Quran is guidance in itself for the whole mankind.
Of course it is.
And
so it mentions, Rasulullah mentions China. And that was very significant to mention China. Even if you have to go to China to seek knowledge, you go. It has many significances. One, China was far off place, of which an Arabian could never think of, which place could not be reached by an Arabian at that time.
Has the word knowledge been used in the Holy Quran? Has the word knowledge been used in the Holy Quran? As you understand it?
So often, so repeatedly, that the word Alim, Sifat, Allah's attribute, is so extensively used in the Holy Quran that one is surprised. And if you put all the books together, in the name of religion, whichever books have been revealed or thought to be revealed, and count the words Alim or any word pertaining to knowledge, the Holy Quran would exceed in number of that mention. So it's so extensively used, the word Ilm and Alim, that no other book can compare, and they jointly cannot compare with the Holy Quran in this regard.